Hey, Stiviana, where is this Airbnb you said?
I think it's right over there. Just keep keep this guy and
This is a cool neighborhood. Whoa, a restaurant!
Whoa.
It's closed though.
Yeah.
Sus. Where is this house?
There's like a mountain and then like a big house.
Whoa, is this it?
Yeah, that's it.
Whoa!
Oh, it's so big, like my butt.
Can we even fit our car there?
Yeah, I think we just gonna park.
Wait, do you have the house key?
Yeah.
Wait, is the house under here?
I don't think so. Let's just knock.
Hello? Hello?
Is there anybody there?
Oh,
Hello?
I thought she would be here.
Yeah.
Wait, I think I have a spare key. Let's see. Let me just. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm struggling here. Help me.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, I think we
Whoa.
Whoa,
This is so pretty!
And this is good here too.
Wait, was it fresh? Stiviana?
What? You're done.
Oh, this is so cool. Wait, that's Dib's rooms. Let's go.
Okay.
Wait, let's explore the house first.
Yeah.
I think this might be the kitchen.
Yeah, it's like exciting.
So pretty! Oh my god, I think I'm gonna scream. Wait,
The kitchen.
I heard the backyard was the best part of the house.
Oh, really?
Yes, go.
Like,
Whoa! Stiviana? Stiviana, where are you going?
oh, sorry.
Look at this pool. Wait, isn't this the most expensive duck?
Yeah.
Is that a witch house?
What?
Oh my
Really?
god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm going.
There's a gym right here too. That's so cool.
There's a tree house on the hill.
What? Okay. And I'm gonna dim the tree houses right now.
Stiviana, we can't stay there. We have to be together. Alright, let's dim the rooms upstairs.
Think about it.
I wonder where the house owner is.
Yeah.
Where's this room?
Can you call her?
Whoa, what a pretty bathroom.
Well, there's a kids play here too.
Play here? Oh, it's a tiny guest bedroom. Not bad.
There's a living room right here.
Oh. Whoa.
So big.
Stiviana, where are you?
And going there.
Stop leaving me. Whoa, isn't this so expensive?
Yeah.
You know-
Yeah, the piano. Wait. What's this? Keep up.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Are you the house owner?
Yeah. What's your name?
Where's your friend Maggie? Guys.
What? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is my name is my name is Jumbalardi.
Double RD. Okay. Hi, Double RD.
Yeah.
Do you know where's our room?
Oh yeah. Come on. Is this a little of a racial? You're racial lot?
Man. Ma'am, I'm Jimbano.
Oh. But your username says Rachel. Whatever.
Shut up.
Jimbano, yeah. Just really Jimbano? Yeah. Okay.
How did you know my
Also, I
favorite?
farted on it, so. That's a good
How did you?
icebreaker, guys.
How did you know my favorite color?
Oh. Also, there's a room. Yeah. Oh, what room is this?
This is your house. You should know it.
Yeah. The kids' room, yeah.
Why is there flamingo here? Ma'am. Wait, can I see the other room?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Wait, what does it say? Keep out.
Yeah.
So, that's a storage room. Yeah.
So why did they say keep?
I never farted on it.
Oh, okay.
I never farted on it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go to
Wait, I need
the
to
room.
take a
Bye.
shit first.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, sure, sure.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Siviana,
Yes.
can you come here, please? I have something to tell you.
Right. I'm at the room.
Come here. There's something weird about Jimbalorzi.
Yeah.
Oh, there she. Oh,
Hey,
oh,
yes.
hi.
Hi.
Don't come in there, guys.
Can I ask where?
Clog the toilet. Oh, someone's thing. Let's go. See you guys.
Ma'am?
Ma'am. Can you have some? I'm hungry.
Do you know where the food stuff is?
Yeah, let me just search it. I'm like, let me just pantry. Yeah.
She's so weird.
She's like, she doesn't know her even own house, right?
Oh, fine.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
over here, guys.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Why is it
Jababro.
so? Oh, there.
Sorry.
See? Yeah, the grams. And the grams. And some grams. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thanks. Hey, you. What's your
What?
name? Stay.
Divanya.
Yeah.
Divanya. I'm gonna think
You're
about
so disrespectful.
Hold on.
Where's your bathroom?
Why do you look like you're gonna take a poo?
Where's the
I'm
bathroom?
constipated because I just took a
Where do you-
massive crap
Where's your
upstairs. So
Where's
that's
your
why.
bathroom?
I think it's
I thought it was your house.
this is my house. I have a short-term memory. You know?
What?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, wait, this is it. Yeah.
This? I think. Can I get some present? Please. There we go.
Fine. Just call me if you need me. Okay?
Yes, Jumbalarzi.
Okay. Oh, you know my name. Oh,
Well, duh, you told us.
oh my.
Thanks, I guess.
Wait, smell. Mind you.
Man, okay.
You smell tea.
Okay. Okay.
Dumbado.
See you guys.
Siviana.
Okay, bye.
She's so weird.
Yeah, let's
Let's go take a swim outside. I wanna relax.
Yeah.
Siviana, this is the best.
Yeah, I like these songs, but yeah, she's.
Siviana, where are you?
I'm like.
Siviana? Oh, there you are. Man, you need to work on your phone. Wait, Siviana?
Help!
Siviana? Wait. Siviana? Let me see. Wait, is there a phone in this house? Oh, wait, where's the phone? Who's knocking? Hello? Hello? Who? This scarecrow is creeping me out. Wait, where's the phone in this house? Guys? Stiviana! Stiviana! This house is creeping me out. Hello? Hello? Oh. There's someone in here. Stiviana? Wait. Does anyone have a phone in this house? Hello? Hello? Oh, you're Belarzi. Do you know where the phone is?
I know it's over here. Oh yeah, I found it.
Oh, there it is. Sorry. Wait, I thought you left.
I did.
But why are you here?
Because Stiviana told me that she was lost, so I
Well,
forgot to give you guys the map of the house.
oh, sorry. Can you stop?
Wait. Appointment? I don't know how to point. Hold up. This. Hence map B. Here you go, map. Give me map.
Stiviana, where are you?
Oh.
Oh, John Belarzi, I'm speaking to someone. Yep. So where's the map? No, you didn't. Have you seen Stiviana?
The
How would you know that?
ring 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 ring.
Oh,
Ring 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 ring.
hello?
Hi, I'm just.
Oh, I thought you were lost. Alright, bye.
I'm here now.
Oh, Stiviana!
Hello.
Man, that Aaron. Whoa! Oh my god! Hey, Stiviana, that Airbnb owner is creeping me out. She's so weird. She kept sniffing me earlier. And this house, I mean, it's beautiful, but it's just too big.
Yeah. I think.
The scarecrow is creeping me out.
Hey, Javano.
Yes.
I think she doesn't know her own house.
Yeah, me too.
The bad thing in it.
Yeah. Whatever, let's just leave. Come on, Stiviana. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot about dinner.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
At audition.
So many what? Wait, did you see that? Oh. Ha! Oh.
What's that?
I think that was Jimbalorzi. Yeah. Ooh, this is so good.
8 hours.
Wait, do you see fog?
Yeah. my gosh! What happened?
Oh my god.
I can't. There's so many frogs.
2 hours later. What? Stiviana, did you know what happened?
No, I just fainted.
Me too.
For that.
That's the first time I fainted here. Come on, let's go sleep now. I'm tired to overthink. Oh, thank God no one's in my room. Good night, good night, Stiviana.
Good night. Good night. Gambad ko yan. Close the door. Hey guys.
2 hours later. What time is it? Oh. I think I'm gonna go on a walk. Yeah! Oh. Why are you here? It's 3 o'clock. Oh. Oh, sorry, I overslept. But what? But Jambalarzi, why are you here? Please get out of my room. Get out of the house right now.
What is my house?
It's an Airbnb. Oh, creepy.
Oh, Jamalarji. Why just?
Oh. Hey. I want to get out of here. Stiviana,
Yeah.
can we get out? Let's go. I hope she doesn't see us. Stiviana, our car broke down. Stiviana, where are you? Oh, why are you holding? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Gibana, where are you?
Everyone help me! Stiviana? 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 Stiviana! Stiviana? Stiviana, where are you? Stiviana? Stiviana? Wait, there's an attic here? Oh my god, I can't get up there. Oh, there you go. I can't open this latch. do you open this? Does anyone know? Hello? Oh, I opened it.
Hi, Giovanna. Would you like some human meat?
Oh my god! You crazy!
Come on, I'll be a friend.
Oh, a bike. Get me out! A house! A house! House! Somebody help me! Somebody! Somebody! Oh.